Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is quite a special, exciting day because the good people at Positive Grid sent me this beautiful guitar amp / Bluetooth speaker. So let's take a look, I guess. Like I've mentioned before, this bad boy can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. When your non-guitarist friends come over and they have no idea what this is, and you just want to move along, which in my case, it's what I would do. Just tell them it's a Bluetooth speaker, nothing more. So there they go. Oh, that's cool. Can we play some Drake on it? But this bad boy really shines if you're a guitar nerd like yourself. I'm not a guitar nerd, personally. I'd rather listen to Drake, but you can hook it up to your tablet or a smartphone. It has to be a smartphone, it can't be a flip phone, just so you know. So let's dive right into it, see what the app has to offer, shall we? So this is pretty much the interface. I have my Spotify connected here right now. If you go on this tab, you can connect to your Apple Music or Spotify, which is great. You can listen to Drake, like I've mentioned before, if you want, all day long on this. And it's got a metronome. And then if you go to this tab, these are like all the amps and effects that you can choose from. It's got 4 channels that you can select from. Clean, crunch, high gain, metal. Don't really care about the former 3. I only care about metal because that's the only thing that matters, obviously. This looks like a Marshall cab. But you can select all these different amps. There's like 30 different amps you can choose from, which is pretty overwhelming. So let's go Rocker V. I'm assuming this is like an orange Rockerverb or a Thunderverb, I'm not sure, but it's an orange amp probably. So, and then obviously you can dial in, control all the knobs as you wish, and you can turn the power on and off, so you can record your direct signal to your computer and then fiddle around with the settings afterwards, which is just insanely convenient. And you get all these effects and modulations, gates, and like the compressors. There's like 5 different compressors to choose from, 9 different overdrive and booster pedals. Good gosh. Modulation, you've got tremolo, phaser, flanger, chorus, all that. 10 different modulation pedals. And delays. 6 different delay pedals so that you can cover up your sloppy playing, like me. Reverb, also, to cover up your sloppy playing. 9 different reverbs, and you know, obviously, like the amp, you can control everything, which is just overwhelming. There's just so many stuff to play around with. It's just overwhelming. So annoying. Anyway, and then if you go on this middle tab here, section, this is like a different genre of music. That it's like a backing track thing where you can play along with your guitar or bass or whatever. So for example, if I go to heavy metal backing track, it will play like a YouTube track, and it's got the chord progression. Shut up. It's got the chord progression. That's just ridiculous. It shows you all the chord progressions and you can jam along to it, basically. And clearly there's a lot I mean, look at all this. Look at all these funk backing tracks and hip hop backing tracks that you can play and jam along with. Perfect quarantine material right here. Quarantine essential. Other than a mask, sanitizer and gloves, wear them or be square. Yeah, I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's now that we've got the thorough technical aspects out of the way. Obviously, this is a guitar-related content, so I feel that I should be demoing some sounds, obviously, but not really gonna do that today because I'm a lazy little Instead though, however, you can come to my TikTok. Also, Positive Grid has a TikTok now, so I'm gonna be taking over their account for 3 days and I'll be posting content via their TikTok page. They've given me permission, all the login infos, so that I can just do whatever I want pretty much on their TikTok page, which is a huge mistake. Very foolish of them, but it's too late now. I know their login details, so I can do whatever I want. But anyhow, make sure to follow Positive Grid. It's not hard to spell, just Positive Grid. So make sure to follow Positive Grid on TikTok. I'll be posting some exclusive guitar-related content there. Also, I just want to say thank you to Chris and everyone at Positive Grid for sending me this incredible piece of gear. I will cherish it and I will make good use out of it to its full potential. But anyway, I shall see you on TikTok, so make sure to stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm gonna listen to some Drake on this bad boy. That's the wrong music.